subscribe and help the channel get to 200,000
Welcome to our Benzo TV. It's the Patriot Premiership. Orlando Pirates 2, Milford 0. I'm joined by Davik and Mashati.
Joshua, that's Stivo.
Hey, angisazi uyazi ukuthi is this a channel for ama-fans wethu or for prize tag or what?
Hey,
angisazi uyazi asikhothani lani yazi imini wayilingani Steve ma wenelisile ukuthola lokho okwazi ukuthola kuthole singaphushela abantu bagcine benza into ezingafanele ingane ilale zingadlili uyabona let's try and motivate others in a more different way. It's like uyabona ukuthi vele mina ngiyitholela i2 cent uyongifaka ku 3000 ngizoyithola phi 3000 uyabona. So apart from that Steve asike sethu kwehlisa kancane ngiyacela emajideni uyayibona asike sethu kwehlisa kancane asibuyele arenas uyabona hey kumnandi arena ngiyabezwa bethi bazoyidefend ileague yazi ukuthi Steve awungeke ukuthi uzodefend ileague ngegame eyodwa uyabona badlalile bawinile but you can only determine i-team ezodefend ileague after 5 matches lapho momentum yobe sikhamba Steve manje this is more like uyabona masingakhuluma if iMilford ibile big stage temperament ibingenza ngcono ibingcono kakhulu esiswini kunebhakaniya ngithemba nebhakaniya ningangifakazela abazange badlala lento esiyazi yabona they had opportunities and they took them ukubonisa ukuthi bona bane experience edluliyani eMilford but asikho lapho Steve as rusty as they were they proved that they have got better experience than the Milford. That's why they collected all the maximum points bafake ebhekini ne2 golinyana siyababongisa kodwa bengabe bethi lokho bekhuluma kabi ngamanye ama-team bayigceka iChiefs bathi hey ibuye eSpain izodlala nama-legend ezimu kanjani we don't mock others uyabona mayofika lento kubo kulabo abaphethe iChiefs bayofila kanjani Steve iyoba buhlungu. That's why ngithe ibenting lena we need to take it to a certain level see understand ukuthi labo abantu esibhenta ngabo they are human beings like us abantu yiko sizakhuluma la nge-mental health egcina ibulalo Adams. If people were taking it in consideration they should have picked it against the game siqeda ukudlala ne-Czech Republic babe celebrate abantu bedla ikhekhe kumfana ehleli yedwa. So as much as we bent well iChiefs winile cup let's applaud them. They played izimu nayo ayisikuthi it's a bad country or what no izwe nalo bawinile they called them they chose them why bengakaze bakhulume mabedlala la amanye amazwe yabona abangakhali mina ngiyithandi lento ukuthi ubhekele omunye umuntu phansi Chiefs is a big team ubani umuntu ongasupport la eMzansi lesikhuluma iqiniso nje mangaka ama-supporters ahambayo stadium countrywide singakhulumi ngama-home games iChiefs you can take it to all 4 corners of South Africa. I'm not a Chiefs fan, I'm a Sundowns fan. Bayagcwalisa yonke indawo igcwalise yonke indawo igcwalise Moses Mabhidi igcwalise naseMpumalanga igcwalise ihlulekile namhlanje arena ithi sold out kuphi sold out yama t-shirt hayi sold out yala stadium yabona kodwa ke yabona uyayibona into lapho yabona hayi yonke indawo uyabona so into esesiyifuna Sithibo what I can say congratulations anginawo umona mina bathethe into yamende ngiyayilanda they will never defend it
bathe bazokuthathela ikhefu
abayibona phi ikhefu boyophuma ku first round bayophuma ku first round bayophuma ku first round laba abantu bona ama specialist e-top 8 bafuna lama game ane 4 games sebe ku final sebe winile not long distance they are not long distance runners angeke bayimeli long distance bafuna ama sprint
Yeah. Ayitshontshe.
Uyayibona bayitshontshe. Manje ayitshontsheki lo nyaka i-Orbit College ayikho. Ngiyabonga Steve.
Thank you, David. Hala uyibekile. Yeah.
Hey, sure, Steve.
Sure.
We are back, Steve.
Yeah.
Happy new season, Steve. People are crying, Steve.
Yeah.
People are crying. People, they want PSL to consider using this head-to-head method instead of this goal difference method, so that we can eliminate match fixing. We know there's a team last season, it won championship with 2 dubious deliberate on goals. People are crying, Steve. So I think PSL must check this, because now match fixing is going to start now. You understand? I don't want to mention the team, but there's this team that won championship with 2 dubious on goal. You understand? And I don't want to mention the name of the team. You understand? So if you see us, we are the opposition party. When we are here, we are representing the people. The people are crying. The people are crying. Even now today, people are still crying. There's a team in South Africa that won a championship with 2 dubious on goal, deliberate one. You understand? So Stibo is fine. I move on. No, we are still trying. PSI should consider using head-to-head method instead of this goal difference, so that we can eliminate this match fixing. You understand? We are still trying now. You understand? A championship with 2 odd goals. That was a history, that one. History in the making. You understand? So I pass on that one. Stivo, today we saw a fair game today. We saw a fair game like we saw the last game. Today it was a fair game. They scored 2 goals today. A fair one.
It was clean.
It was clean today. But that last one, no.
But going forward, I'm not happy.
Yeah.
Are we happy players going forward?
No, this season, no, I don't know. It's still the start of the season. It's still the first game now. So let's not judge them. But I know this season the pressure is on Orlando Pirates. Why I'm saying this? They are the defending champions of the PSL title. They are defending MTN. They are defending Black Label, and they are still going to play in the CAF. Now they are Mamelodi Sundowns, Orlando Pirates. We want to see if they can do what Mamelodi Sundowns is doing. We want to see those 2 stars that are saying now. I don't know, it's 1 star. We want to see 2 stars because we know that they said they want to be Mamelodi Sundowns. Pela knows he was Orlando Pirates. They said they want to be Mamelodi Sundowns. So now is their chance to show us they are Mamelodi Sundowns now. You understand? So we want to see them. I think they say, hey, Mamelodi Sundowns, they think they are special. They kept this and that game what. So now is their chance to show us the Mamelodi Sundowns. They kept Champions League now. Next week he said it's going to be
it's what happened last game. Did they score? Did you score against Obi? Did you score against Obi? Did you score against Obi? The answer is no. Did you score against Obi? The answer is no. The answer is no.
Did they score against Obi? No. They didn't score. It was 2 on goal. Understand? So PSL now should stop this head-to-head now. They must use head-to-head. They are best fixing these people. They are best fixing these people.
Mic drop. In 2 minutes. It's in China. It's in China. Uchani na Boston.